If you find yourself wide awake at 2 a.m., staring at the ceiling and wondering why your brain won't shut off, stop blaming your age. What's happening inside your body right now isn't random. It's actually a survival mechanism called a cortisol spike. While you're trying to rest, your blood sugar levels are fluctuating, signaling your adrenal glands to dump adrenaline into your system. You aren't awake because you're stressed. You're awake because your body thinks you're in danger. Most people reach for a sleeping pill, which just knocks you out without fixing the underlying fuel crisis. But there is a way to biohack this chemical spike using 5 specific seeds sitting in your kitchen right now. One of these seeds contains a specific form of magnesium that acts like a brake for your nervous system. Another stabilizes your glucose for exactly 6 hours, the perfect window to get you through the night. In this video, I'm going to show you the 2-minute evening seed ritual that people over 40 are using to reset their sleep cycle. If you use the first seed incorrectly, you'll just feel bloated. But use it the way I'm about to show you, and you might finally experience your first full 8 hours of deep rest in years. Since the timing and the combination of these fats and minerals matter more than the food itself, we are going to start with the one seed you likely already have in your pantry, but are using at the completely wrong time of day. Seed number 1 is one of the most powerful natural sleep regulators, pumpkin seeds. These small seeds carry strong nutrients that directly support your night sleep cycle. Pumpkin seeds are rich in magnesium, zinc, and tryptophan, 3 key elements your brain needs to stay calm and balanced at night. Magnesium is especially important because it helps relax your nervous system. When magnesium levels drop, your body can feel tense without you even realizing it. This hidden tension often shows up as waking up suddenly at 2 a.m. Zinc in pumpkin seeds supports melatonin production, the hormone that tells your body it is time to sleep. At the same time, tryptophan works inside your body by first turning into serotonin and then into melatonin. This full pathway is what helps your brain naturally drift back into deep sleep. When you regularly include pumpkin seeds before bed, your body gets a steady supply of these nutrients. This helps reduce muscle tightness, lowers stress signals, and stabilizes blood sugar through the night. That is very important because unstable blood sugar is one of the hidden reasons people wake up in the middle of the night feeling alert. To use them simply, add a small handful into warm oatmeal or mix them into yogurt before bed. This is not about complicated routines. It is about giving your body the right fuel at the right time. Many people who struggle with waking at 2 to 3 a.m. often discovered they were low in magnesium for years without knowing it. Think about how your body reacts when it is finally calm after stress. That is the same feeling pumpkin seeds help create inside your nervous system. It is not an instant sleeping pill effect, but a gentle reset that builds over time and supports deeper, longer sleep naturally. But pumpkin seeds alone are not enough because the next seed works on a completely different sleep pathway, and it actually calms your brain faster than magnesium. This is where your sleep system becomes more interesting because different foods support different parts of your nervous system. When your brain wakes up at night, it is not only about one missing nutrient, it is a combination of stress hormones, blood sugar swings, and nervous system alertness. Pumpkin seeds mainly fix the mineral gap, especially magnesium, but your brain still needs hydration balance and gentle fiber support to stay stable through the night. That is why consistency matters more than intensity. Eating a small portion every night trains your body to expect calm signals before sleep. Over time, your nervous system starts to lower its alert response naturally, instead of jumping into stress mode at 2 a.m. Think about people who used to wake up repeatedly at night. Many of them report that small dietary changes feel simple, but they slowly rebuild their sleep rhythm. It is not magic, it is biology responding to steady support, and the most powerful part is that pumpkin seeds are easy to add into your routine. No strict rules, no complicated timing, just a small habit before bed that supports your brain chemistry in a natural way. Still, there is another seed that works even deeper on brain relaxation, and it connects directly with calming anxiety signals in the nervous system, which is why it often surprises people how fast they feel sleepy again after using it. Once you understand this layered effect of different seeds, you realize sleep is not random. It is a system that can be gently guided back into balance using simple food choices every night. This is why combining these seeds before bedtime can gradually reset your sleep cycle and help your brain stay calm even during stressful nights naturally and effectively over time period. This seed works differently. It doesn't just feed your body, it slows everything down inside it. Seed number 2 is chia seeds, one of the most powerful nighttime stabilizers for your sleep system. When you eat chia seeds, something interesting happens inside your body. They absorb water and slowly form a gel-like structure in your stomach. This simple process changes how your body handles energy while you sleep. Instead of quick spikes and drops in blood sugar, chia seeds release glucose slowly into your system. This prevents the sudden nighttime crash that often wakes people up at 2 a.m. or 3 a.m., feeling alert for no reason. Many people think they are waking up from stress, but in reality, their body is reacting to unstable blood sugar levels during the night. When your glucose stays stable, your brain does not send emergency stress signals. That means lower adrenaline, lower cortisol spikes, and a deeper sleep cycle that is harder to break. This is where chia seeds become powerful. They don't sedate you, they stabilize you. To use them simply, you can mix chia seeds into milk, pudding, or even warm water before bed. As they soak, they expand and become easier to digest, slowly releasing energy while you rest. This is why many people notice fewer wake-ups after adding them into their nighttime routine. Think about how your body feels when it suddenly wakes at night. Often there is restlessness, light anxiety, or a feeling that your sleep just stopped. That moment is usually linked to a drop in energy supply to the brain. Chia seeds help prevent that drop from happening in the first place. Over time, this creates a more stable sleep rhythm. Instead of your body reacting to sudden changes, it stays in a balanced state through the night. That balance is what allows deeper sleep stages to last longer, helping you wake up more refreshed instead of tired and broken. And now, we come to a seed that directly affects your stress hormone. If your mind won't shut off at night, this one changes everything. It works not just on your body, but on the way your brain handles nighttime anxiety signals, which is often the real reason sleep disappears when you need it most. When you understand chia seeds in this way, you realize sleep is not just about being tired, it is about keeping your internal system stable long enough for your brain to stay in rest mode without interruption. That is the hidden key most people never address when dealing with insomnia. This is why even small dietary changes can have a powerful effect over time. Your body is always responding to what you give it before sleep, and chia seeds give it something steady instead of chaotic energy shifts that disrupt rest. People who struggle with frequent night waking often ignore this simple stabilizing effect and keep looking for stronger solutions, but the truth is your nervous system responds most to consistency, not intensity. When you support your body with steady fuel like chia seeds, you reduce the hidden triggers that push your brain into alert mode during the night. Over time, this helps your sleep feel more predictable and less fragile, which is important if you have been waking up at the same time every night. Many people do not realize how much pressure unstable blood sugar puts on their sleep quality until they start fixing it. Even small improvements can reduce that sudden 2 a.m. wake-up pattern and help your body trust sleep again. This is not about forcing rest. It is about removing the silent disturbances that interrupt it. When your system feels safe, your brain naturally returns to deep sleep without resistance, and that is where real recovery begins at night. That is why small daily habits like this can slowly rebuild your natural sleep rhythm again completely. Seed number 3 is flax seeds, one of the most overlooked seeds that quietly supports deep sleep by helping balance your hormones. This seed works in a very gentle but powerful way inside your body. Flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids which help reduce inflammation in the body. When inflammation is high, your body stays in a mild stress state, even at night. They also contain lignans, which support hormone balance, especially cortisol, the stress hormone that often wakes people up at night. When cortisol is not stable, your sleep becomes light and broken. Flax seeds also support the gut-brain axis, which plays a huge role in sleep quality. A stressed gut often sends stress signals to the brain, making it harder to stay asleep. To use them, simply sprinkle flax seeds on cereal or blend them into smoothies before bed. People dealing with chronic stress often have imbalanced fatty acid levels without even knowing it. Over time, this imbalance can quietly affect your sleep, your mood, and even your energy the next day. But the good news is small daily changes like flax seeds can slowly rebuild that balance again. When your inflammation goes down, your nervous system becomes calmer, and your sleep becomes deeper and more stable. You start noticing fewer sudden wake-ups in the middle of the night, and your brain does not feel as alert when you should be resting. But even flax seeds will not solve everything if your body is missing one key mineral that controls deep sleep itself. That is where the next seed becomes even more important, because it directly supports your brain ability to stay in deep sleep cycles. This is important because many people think sleep problems come only from stress, but in reality, It is often a combination of inflammation hormone, imbalance, and nutrient deficiency. When your body is missing these supports, it becomes easier for your brain to shift into alert mode during the night. That is why you may feel tired, but still wake up suddenly without understanding why. You are not broken, your body is just asking for balance. Flax seeds gently help restore that balance by calming internal inflammation and supporting natural hormone rhythm. Over weeks, this can slowly improve your sleep depth and reduce nighttime interruptions. The key is consistency, not perfection. Even a small daily intake can create long-term change. This is where you take control back from restless nights and rebuild your natural sleep system. And as you start to feel this shift, you realize sleep is not something you force, but something you support. But remember, flax seeds are only one part of the full picture of sleep recovery. Your body needs multiple layers of support to fully reset its nighttime rhythm. That is why the next seed plays a completely different role in calming your nervous system faster. It works more directly on brain signaling that controls anxiety and restlessness. And once you understand how these seeds work together, you will realize that sleep can be rebuilt naturally step by step. Many people who suffer from long-term insomnia often feel helpless, but small changes like this bring back hope slowly. You start seeing yourself not as someone who cannot sleep, but as someone who is rebuilding their sleep health. That shift in mindset is just as important as the food itself, because when you believe your body can heal, your actions become more consistent. And consistency is what slowly rewires your sleep cycle back to natural rhythm. So, as we move forward, remember, flax seeds are not a quick fix but a quiet support system for your nightly recovery. And now, we step into the next seed, which takes this calming effect even deeper into your brain chemistry and sleep stability naturally. It is the one that helps your body reach deeper restorative sleep stages more easily than before naturally. Seed number 4 is sunflower seeds, one of the most important natural triggers for sleep hormone production in your body. This seed does not just relax your body, it actually activates the internal system that helps your brain create sleep hormones. The mechanism inside sunflower seeds is strongly connected to vitamin B6, a key nutrient that supports neurotransmitter balance. Inside your body, vitamin B6 helps convert tryptophan into serotonin, and then serotonin into melatonin, which is your natural sleep hormone. When this pathway is working properly, your nervous system becomes calmer, and your brain naturally shifts toward deep sleep without resistance. To use sunflower seeds, simply eat a small handful with your evening snack or sprinkle them over a salad before dinner or bedtime. This simple habit supports smoother transitions into deep sleep phases, meaning you fall asleep easier and stay asleep longer through the night. Many people do not realize that low vitamin B6 levels can silently affect mood, stress response, and sleep quality over time. This is why even small daily intake of sunflower seeds can slowly rebuild your sleep chemistry from inside. And finally, there is one seed so powerful for calming the nervous system that many people feel sleepy within minutes after eating it. But before we reach that final seed, it is important to understand that sleep is not controlled by one nutrient alone, but by a full system of balance inside your body. When sunflower seeds support vitamin B6 levels, they help your brain maintain steady serotonin production, which directly affects emotional stability at night. This is especially important for people who wake up feeling anxious or alert without any clear reason in the middle of sleep. Over time, supporting this neurotransmitter pathway can reduce night waking and help your body trust the sleep process again naturally. Sunflower seeds are simple, but their effect on brain chemistry is powerful when used consistently as part of your night routine. This is not about quick fixes, but about giving your body steady signals that it is safe to relax and enter deep restorative sleep. When your brain receives these signals every night, it gradually reduces stress activity and strengthens your natural sleep rhythm over time. That is how small food choices slowly transform someone from a light sleeper into a deep, stable sleeper again. And this transformation is not just physical, it changes how you feel about your nights and your energy during the day. People often underestimate how much nutrition affects sleep, but your brain chemistry is deeply dependent on what you eat before bed. Even simple seeds like sunflower seeds can quietly repair long-term imbalances that build up from stress and poor sleep habits. This is where empowerment begins, because instead of feeling stuck with insomnia, you start realizing you can influence it naturally. That shift alone changes how people approach their health, from helplessness to control, from fear to understanding. So when you think about sunflower seeds, think about them as small tools that support your brain's natural sleep system. and when used regularly, they help reduce the silent disruptions that often wake you up in the middle of the night. But the most interesting part is that sunflower seeds are only one piece of a much larger sleep chemistry puzzle. Each seed in this system plays a different role, and when combined correctly, they help the body naturally return to deep rest without force. This is why understanding how your body works is more powerful than relying on temporary solutions that only mask the problem. True sleep improvement comes from steady support, not sudden fixes, and sunflower seeds are a simple example of that principle. When you start seeing sleep as something you can gently guide, rather than something that is out of control, everything begins to change. And next, sesame seeds may calm nervous system even faster at night naturally. Seed number 5 is sesame seeds, the final and most underrated sleep seed in this list. Most people ignore it, but it quietly supports a deep sleep by calming your nervous system from the inside. Sesame seeds contain a natural combination of calcium and magnesium, two minerals that work together to relax your muscles and slow down overactive brain signals at night. When calcium and magnesium work together, your body enters a deeper state of physical relaxation. Muscle tension starts to release, your heartbeat becomes more steady, and your nervous system slowly shifts away from stress mode. This is important because many people who wake up at 2 a.m. are not fully relaxed, even if they feel tired. Their body is still slightly activated, which breaks sleep cycles early. To use sesame seeds, you can simply add them on toast, mix them into soup, or sprinkle them over light dinner dishes. There is no complicated routine, just a small addition that supports your body's natural wind-down process. Over time, this gentle support helps your sleep cycles become longer and more uninterrupted through the night. The real benefit of sesame seeds is how they improve sleep depth. Instead of light, broken rest, your body is more likely to stay in deeper sleep stages where real recovery happens. This is where your brain resets stress, repairs energy, and prepares you for the next day. But here's what most people don't realize. It's not just about one seed, it's how you combine them that determines whether you sleep deeply or wake up at 2 a.m. again. Each seed in this system supports a different part of your sleep biology, and together, they create a full natural reset for your night routine. Pumpkin seeds support magnesium balance and calm your nervous system. Chia seeds stabilize blood sugar so your brain does not get stress signals at night. Flax seeds reduce inflammation and support hormone balance. Sunflower seeds activate serotonin and melatonin production. And sesame seeds deepen relaxation so your body can stay asleep longer without interruption. When you see them together, it becomes clear this is not random advice. This is a complete natural system that helps your body rebuild its sleep rhythm step by step. Instead of depending on pills or quick fixes, your body is learning how to restore its own sleep hormones again. This is how your body naturally resets sleep hormones without pills. And the most powerful part is that you are not forcing sleep, you are removing the hidden problems that block it. That shift alone can change how you experience nights, from frustration to calm recovery. Try just one of these seeds tonight, and notice the difference in how your body responds. Even a small change can start to break the cycle of waking up at 2 a.m. and slowly guide your sleep back to stability. Over time, these small habits build into a stronger sleep foundation that supports your energy, mood, and focus during the day. If you want, I can show you a 3-day sleep reset diet that works even faster to rebuild your sleep rhythm naturally. Just like this video, it focuses on simple foods your body already understands. Like and subscribe if you want more natural ways to fix sleep without stress or confusion.